guys, this is Zia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a mug pizza. What's a mug pizza? Pizza in a mug. This is one of my favorite things to binge on when I'm watching a movie or a cartoon. I'd like to thank all my audience for their encouragement. What are we waiting for? Let's go to make it. To make this mug pizza, we will need any toppings of your choice. 2 tablespoons grated mozzarella cheese, 3 tablespoons milk, a pinch of red chili flakes, a pinch of dried oregano, a pinch of baking soda, a pinch of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, also known as maida, 1 tablespoon of pizza sauce, 1 tablespoon of oil, and a microwavable cup for making our mug pizza and a spoon to mix. You can make your own pizza sauce by cooking fresh tomatoes, garlic, and dried herbs. I used oregano and basil. Or you can just buy it off the store. I've added the all-purpose flour into the mug along with baking powder, baking soda, and salt. I'm going to add the milk and oil into the flour. Let's give this a good stir for about 5 to 10 seconds. Your batter should be lump-free and smooth. Now I will add the pizza sauce and spread it evenly. I'm gonna add the mozzarella cheese on top of the pizza sauce. Veggies on top of the cheese. Don't forget the herbs and the chili flakes. Sprinkle them evenly. Put it into the microwave for 2 minutes. Mug pizza is ready. Look at that. Hope you all enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I can make this mug pizza again and again without getting bored. Here's a cooking tip before I leave. To give this a healthier twist, you can add in more vegetables, and to give it a tangy touch, you can add in a few pieces of pineapple. Do try this recipe and tell me your feedback in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now. See you in my next video.